Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the Dxy or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, the SP500, what it done today after the unemployment rate, it came. It's making like a small correction here. Then it gave us here a pin bar. Now it's trying to go back to break that last high, which is here, that one here. Now let's wait and if it's going to go back to break here or no, or maybe from here it's going to fall down again. Also, we don't care where it's going to go. The most important now here, I'll show you before we got here an up trend like that. Look at that. So that one, if it came down and touches here, then after that to go up, that's something healthy because the market doesn't work in just going up. As you see it, the market is working by waves like that, going up, retrace, going up, retrace, going up. Now maybe it's going to make another correction. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. And here you can even make now another channel because the old channel now is getting broke. Here was the old channel we used to connect in those ones. Now it touches the top here. Either from here is going to fall down again to touch lower here. So we need to wait and more what's going to happen, because even if you go to the daily, in the daily you got a big uptrend. There is nothing changed, and I'll show you everything in the last video. You can just go back and watch it. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the overbought area. So now technically also we need to look in for a short opportunity. For us to enter short, it's need the market to come at least to break lower here, the trend line here, for us to enter short. So it's still far away from that to happen. Unless if the market give us here in the coming days a price action here indicating that the market is going to reverse, that's another story. And forget about the others, what they're telling you, because you need to focus about the chart, what it's telling you guys. That's the most important. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also the last video used to be here. We told you it give us here like a megaphone. It came down, it break it down here. It falling down till here, as you see it. But now it's showing it going up again. And here, look with me here, what it give you here. It give you a very clear head and shoulder here, as you see it. The neckline of it, it's being down here. Here the head and shoulder, it hasn't been broken. And now he tried to go back to touch the last high, which is here. If he couldn't break it, that means you're going to see another falling down. So you need to be focused about those things. I'm telling you now what the market is going to tell you in the coming days, or maybe is going to give you, because now the market he tried to give you here like a small flag like that. Even that one is another story. If it's breaking up here, you came down from here and you calculating the target for that one, where it's going to go. I think everything is too clear, guys. So here, if it's breaking up here, you enter long. If it fall down here and break a lower here, you enter short. Picture is very clear here. And now it's showing here a reverse, a very strong reverse. But the last defense you got is that one here. It's need that one to come to break here to know it's going to go more higher, because that one it might just a correction here. And here now look with me here what the market give you here, like that, like a trend line here. Even that one you need to focus about it, if it's going to get broke here or no. Till now also still here, everything it's look healthy now, because if you're looking with me up here, it came down, it touching the trend line here. He go up, it give you another high. It fall down now, it touching the trend line here. Now it's need that one to go to break that last high, which is here, to know is a continuation of the trend. If that one couldn't break that level here, that means there is something not right. And if it came and break a lower here, that means the trend is going to change to downward. So you need to be focused about those things. All those price action and those things, they are not important like that trend line here, that up trend line here. It needs to be broken. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it is being here at the overbought area. It fall down here, it was very close to the oversold area, and it show us here that pin bar in that trend line. Also we show you here, as you see it over here, it show us a pin bar. Now it's showing a rejection upward. The last defense is that one. If it's breaking here, it's going to go more higher. You need to be focused about it, like the last time here, if you remember here, when it touching here, when it's breaking that last high here, look till where it went, till here. Same thing now here, if it's breaking that last high here, it's going to go more higher than that. So you need to be focused about the coming hours, what the market is going to tell you. And Saturday and Sunday, there is nothing but that analysis here. Be focused about it in the opening in Sunday. or in Monday, early in Monday. The opening, if it's breaking here, you're going to see a big jump in up. So you need to be focused about those things, man, I'm telling you. Now it's going to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, same thing. He showed us here a rejection, he falling down. Someone yesterday in my Telegram channel, he told me the Nasdaq is falling sharply. Then I told him no, there is no falling sharply. And today it showed us that person is wrong. Now it's going up because me, I told you for the people that been with us, I told you got here a up trend line like that. For you to know the Nasdaq 100 is going to fall down, it needs to fall down and to break the trend line here. If it doesn't, there is nothing to be worried. You are in an uptrend and you need to be focused about those things. It's a very sharp uptrend. There is nothing to be worried. It needs to fall down a lot till here, till 12k. That big falling down. So till now, as we stay in that place here, nothing was changed. And even if you go to the daily, I show you all those things in the daily. I don't want to go there. The Nasdaq 100 it's showing is in a big bull run. There is nothing will change it from that. And forget about those people they telling you online and those things. You focus about the chart, what they telling you. Because the chart, it doesn't lie. Those people, anyone he working for an agenda for himself or something, you focus here about the chart, what it telling you. If the chart, it tell you the market is going to fall down, follow it. If the chart tell you the market is going up, follow it. And here, also in the chart, what we got an up channel like that and like that. Look at it. Here it's showing it's breaking the up channel. So there is nothing to be worried about. Also, we are in a very, very, very sharp up channel. There is nothing to be worried about. And here, focus only about the trend line now. As you see it, it needs to fall down till here for you to enter again. So you need to be focused about those things, me, I'm telling you. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, yes, is it here at the overbought area, but we don't need to follow indicators. Also, we follow the chart. The chart is telling us also we are in an uptrend and we're getting higher high. Because look at it here. You draw the trend line here, and what you see in here. Here a high, low, another high, another low, another high, another low. I would give you another high. It needs to fall down again to give you another low here. Then after that, it will go up and give you another high. So why should you follow someone they're telling you also we are in a downtrend or the market is changing? Look at it, how clear it is. There is nothing will change from that. I think picture is very clear here in 4 hours. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the same thing like the SP 500. Yes, it gave us here a head and shoulder like that, as you see it. But it couldn't break for you the neckline here. And now he tried to give you here like a flag like that, as you see it. But it hasn't breaking up. So till now it's still early. But you got here an uptrend like that. Look at it. It's being touched here. It's being touched here now. That the third time, that means a stronger trend line. Now for us to know it is going to continue it up, but it needs to break like how it's breaking here. It needs to break that level here. If it's breaking that level here, it's going to continue because you are in an uptrend in the daily in the 4 hours. So here in 30 minutes, you're just looking for corrections to enter long. That's what me have been telling you. So now you're just waiting that break here to happen. Then you enter long. It will not happen today because today is the last day of the week, but it's going to happen in Monday. It's going to break here. You enter long and you go with it upward. There is nothing will change it because in the daily we are in an uptrend. Yes, you're going to see here in lower time frames small corrections, but as you see it here, when it happened a small correction here, there is no big volume to push it down. But when it came to push up, there is big volume to push it up. That was me I'm telling you. Also, we are in an uptrend in the daily and 4 hours. So here in 30 minutes, you're just looking for corrections to enter long. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. I tried to make a small correction here. Now it's going back up to the overbought area. But now we need to look in what is going to give us here if we are going to break that level here or no. But the most important, that level here, we need to look in at it if we are going to break it or no. So you need to be focused about those things. Me, I don't want to say the level exactly because depending the chart of you and depending the broker you use in that level here in my chart, is it a 12,875? Some people they go to 13k, depending your chart. So you came to your chart and you came to that one here, to that last high here, and the waiting was going to be broken here. But the most important thing, you need to be focused about those things. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in the US dollar. US dollar yesterday, it's falling down till here. Then after that, look at that, it go up till the 200 moving average. Now let's see if we are going to give us here a price action here in the moving average, telling us we need to enter long in like British pound and Euro USD and short in the USD Japanese yen, because till now there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse like how it happened here. So now it's still early for you to thinking of to enter short. It's need the market to give you here a price action here. So till now there is nothing new here. Let me show you in the daily in the last videos. Also we are in a downtrend. We're breaking the trend line here. It might down, it will go back and touch the trend line. Then after that we will make another correction. But till now there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. And here it gives us that wake off chart as we're talking about. People they being with us, they remember those things. Give us here that fake out. If now it's making like that and do like that and breaking the last high which is here, it's going to change to our uptrend, or maybe from here it's going to give us another price action. Then after that it will falling down. But till now it's showing to us here we are very close to complete a wake off pattern, so you need to be careful about those things. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, will be in here at the oversold area. It give us here a small divergence like that, as you see it. Now it's showing it going upward, and me I just show you here that wake off like that. Look at it. That one is a very well known wake off pattern. It give you here a fake out like the Bitcoin, how I show it to you in the Bitcoin. If it came like that and do it like that, that one here it's being the bottom for the DXY, and you're going to see the DXY is going up. So people they are in British pound now it give you in the daily double top. So let's see if it's going to break the neckline or not yet, because in the daily in British pound it's not yet breaking the neckline. That's why me I told you it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit if that one from here is going to fall down or not. And now here it's showing it's going back upward. Let's wait when it's going to enter, like how it enter here to the overbought area. If it's from there, it's going to fall down or no. Now let's go to 30 minutes to see what the US dollar is doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look at it. It gives you here a very clear head and shoulder here. The neckline is being here, and it's getting broke here by that big candle of the news here. So that one it's showing it will going upward more than that, because the unemployment rate of USA it came today. So maybe that one it will go just till here. And from here we're going to look in if we can find a short opportunity again. Because me personally I think US dollar it's still falling down more than that. Why? Let me show you why. Look with me here. That the level we breaking before. That one here. As you see it, that red one here, and that white one, the trend line I show you in the daily. Maybe here we are going to touch it here, then after that we are going to fall down again. But till now we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Yes, we can make it like that, like an uptrend like that, but that one it need to fall down to break it here for us to enter short, or it need the market to give us here a price action. Till now there is nothing here indicating the US dollar is going to fall down. Over here actually it's indicating the US dollar is going up more than that. So you need to be focused about those things me I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for a short opportunity. A short opportunity, you make it like that. Look with me how I make it. You can make even like that, a wedge or a mega fall like that, and you wait it to get broken down here. But till now it's not yet. It's still very early. Or maybe in the coming hours or coming days, it gives us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Then also we're going to enter in it short. Now the only thing you have is that trend line here, that one. But the only thing you have now, you waited to get broke here to enter short again. Something else, we don't have nothing now. We need to wait in the coming hours. I think everything is too clear. Now it's going to see Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video here. I told you to enter short from here. I told you because it gives you here a double top here. Look at it. So if you enter from here, over here will have you taking profit, because me I told you in the 200 moving average to take profit. That's what me I told you. And I told you for swing trading like that. Look at the trend line. When it touch it here, what's it done? It bouncing up now. Now what you got here? You got here a downtrend like that. Even that one, if it came and break it here, is going to go more higher than that. What should you do now? Nothing now. You just need to wait in a little bit. Need to wait in the price action here or something like that, because now you can make like that, like a mega fall like that. Look at it. And you wait in that one to break it up here. If it's breaking here, it's going to go up till here again. If it fall down and break a lower here, people they haven't entered, they can enter short again, because over here, if it's breaking here, it's going to break for you even that trend line here. Look at it, that trend line here. We started from here, here, and here. If it fall down now here and breaking here, it's going to fall down more than that. So you need to be focused about those things. Me, I'm telling you till now. Now I'll show you got two things. Look with me. You got here that mega fall like that. If the market go up and breaking here, it's going to go more higher. If the market fall down and break a lower here, it's going to fall down more lower. Everything is very simple. To know where is the take profit and those things, we explain all those things in our crypto day trading course. The course is in the first comment. If you're using the coupon link, it will not cost you that much. It's only 13 bucks. And believe me, that course is better than million of courses you buy online by $1,000 and $2,000. But it's up to you. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. So now technically also we need to look in for a buy opportunity, and level we are in a very stronger level. It touch for us the 200 moving average, and we have here a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it last time from here. Now it touches here in that level here. Now you need to look in for a buy opportunity. The buy opportunity, you got a price action. The price action is that one, that mega fall like that. Look with me how I draw it. You came to those ones, that one, and you go to the top, that one, and that one, and you waiting the break to happen upward here to enter long again. Take profit of you, it need to be here, that last high here to take profit. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.